Today we have a closing Kondia with an Acurite G2 CNC control. It's a 2-axis machine. We're going to do a little demonstration of the calibration for the Y-axis. We're using a 10th indicator today. You can see here we're just about right at 0. We're going to run this program that I have set in it. It's going to be moving 150 millimeters on this first event. So we're just a little bit over 0. We're going to go to 200 millimeters now. That's what our gauge is set up for. We're going to check that again. We're about 1/10 off. Go back to the 150 millimeter. Almost 2/10 off. And now we're going to return to that 0. You can see by the condition of the quill, it's in really nice shape. This machine hasn't been used much. Table's in real nice condition, no drill marks or anything in it. Real nice clear control. We go back to there and we're at about half over. So we've got 2.5 tenths of directional and bidirectional repeatability. Thanks for watching the video.